If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel we talk about personal finances, whether it is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future. Today's video, we are doing a budget with me. This week we are going back to what we know and what we do, which is breaking it up. So we are doing this video, which is going to be a budget with me. We are going to budget our paycheck number 2. I don't know why it says 4. It should not say 4, but paycheck number 2 of November. And honey, we got some church announcements. If you don't know, Freeport Creation has been participating in Black Friday weekend, and we are also participating in Cyber Monday, which today it is Cyber Monday. So if you don't know, check down in the description, get you some stickers, get you some envelopes, and you won't regret it. And also, today is November 30th. November 30th. This channel will be participating in Vlogmas. I have been working so hard to get you some Vlogmas content. So stay tuned. We will be having a video every day. Maybe not the weekend, because your girl works a full-time job. So Vlogmas every day is a stretch. But let's see. Maybe I'll sprinkle here a few weekends here and there. Maybe a few weekends here and there. But I think that's about it with all the church announcements. And we are just going to get right into the video. So right now, we are using Freeport Creations cash base, zero base budget stickers to do our budget. So it is we are also using this washi strip. Is actually my favorite. People love this washi strip. And it's good for if you are definitely doing bullet journaling instead of like just regular budgeting. It's a great pop of color that you would definitely want to have. And it definitely does not want to peel off. Wow. Okay, we'll be back. All right, so we got it out. All right, and then we are just going to just put paycheck, since this is most definitely not paycheck 4. Let's rip that right there. Straight down the middle. Love these stickers. And we are just going to put paycheck smack dab in the middle.
Okay, so we have the 30th until 1492.
Can you guys believe we are legit almost done with 2020? Like, as much as it's been a roller coaster, it kinda flew by. And obviously that is account to we had been in the house for months. So we ain't had nothing really eventful to do. But I don't know. Kind of went by like, whew. We're legit almost done. Okay, so we're going to put our bill section. Our bill section, we have Apple Music, which I've been paying this Apple Music price for like so long because I went to college and the perks of being a college student. Stay tuned for Vlogmas. We will definitely be talking about that. And I'm actually very happy about this. And sure, car insurance is $200. And in house, it's not really a bill, but I'm gonna call it a bill because I need to start putting money in there. House savings is $100. Let's zoom you in so you can see. So we have Apple Music, car insurance, and house as our bill this cycle. I don't think I'm missing anything. So altogether that is $305. Left over, that was $1,187. Then we have our envelopes, which are cash envelopes, whether it is digital or physical cash. This is what goes under here. We are gonna do gas, which I honestly don't need gas because we are not going back to the school building. We're not going. So, yes. If I don't go to the building, I don't pay gas because I don't go nowhere. If I don't go to the building, I don't spend too much money on food because I'm home. So, financially, it's a win if we stay home. But I know being in the building is beneficial for a lot of people, but not for my pockets. Me, we're going to give myself $37. I don't remember what this is for, but we're just gonna keep it here. I feel like I have something in store for that. Then for food, which I'll tell you right now, probably don't even need, we have $50. A pro of not going into the building is like I don't have to take these COVID tests every 2 weeks. Like my nose finally gets a break. Like legit gets a break. Like you don't understand how it is, y'all. I mean, you probably do, but because I don't know what y'all doing in your life or what y'all do for a living, but y'all probably do. But if you do, please comment down below and tell me, like, don't it give you like anxiety when you know this is the week you have to get a COVID test? Like, so much anxiety. So after we total this up, the envelopes, you take the total amount and subtract it from the leftover, and then you would just get $1,050. Then we are going to work on our sinking funds, which won't be a lot. Honestly, it truly won't be a lot. But we have Christmas, which will get 500. Then challenges will get 84. Self-care will get $10. Car will get 50, because y'all know my situation with the car. She needs to get money. Allowance. If you don't know the situation with my car, definitely click the iCloud above. Allowance is getting 200. Okay, so allowance is getting 200. Your girl wants to buy some stuff from Black Friday before it's all gone. Altogether, we should have 844. And I heard from Shea Budgets that Candle Day is coming, and your girl loves some cheap candles. Not like cheap candle, like quality cheap, but like cheap candle from Bed Bath & Beyond. Because those candles be expensive. Ooh. Okay, so obviously this total is not that total. So there is going to be some leftovers. Now let's see how much. Altogether, it should be 206 left over. That I'm just going to use as a buffer if something comes up, you know, it's going to be a buffer. So that is basically it for my budget. My budget is really short, simple this period. Not sure why. It's not more complex. I think it's because of the Christmas fund. It's really not so complex. But that is it for now. Check me tomorrow, and I will be showing you my cash stuffing video. Definitely stay tuned for Vlogmas. It's gonna be lit. it's really gonna be lit with so many resources and so many videos. So I'm excited. You get excited. Please get excited. Bye.